Welcome to Library Online Guide. This video will help you on how to access online databases. Log on to the library website www.library.uitm.edu.my. Choose e-resources button. Click the databases subscribed by UiTM. Key in ID and password to log in into Easy Access. Please log in into Easy Access using your student or staff number for username and IC number as a password. Please tick the checkbox to accept the term and condition. This is the steps to find list of databases. Click by format. And then choose online databases. List of online databases are shown alphabetically. For example, you would like to access to the Emerald Insight. Please click on the link and start your searching. Key in your keyword search, for example, Industrial Revolution. The search result for keyword search Industrial Revolution appear. And click the PDF link to download the article. The full text article is available to download or print. You also can search online database by using IT devices, such as smartphone and tablets. If you have any inquiries and questions about the article search, you can contact us through the medium provided. Thank you.